Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're coming across an issue where it says the installation of a provisioning package failed. Please work with the package author to diagnose the problem, and then there's a reported error code. So it may be error code 0x80070057 or perhaps 0x800710d2. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So you're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in File Explorer. Best result should go back with File Explorer listed right above App. Go ahead and left click on that. Select this PC on the left side, and then whatever drive you're having the problem with, you want to go ahead and right click on it and select Properties. Select the Tools tab, and then underneath Error Checking, this option will check the drive for file system errors. Go ahead and select the check button. Select Scan Drive. You can keep using the drive during the scan. If errors are found, you can decide if you want to fix them. I would suggest probably not using your computer while running the scan. However, you can, obviously, as it says that, but we're just going to go ahead and let it run here. It should take a couple minutes to run, so just please be patient. Okay, so you can see it successfully scanned the drive, no errors were found. So hopefully if there were any errors found, that would have resolved them in your case, and the error should no longer be in a problem. Another thing you can try here, if you close it here and open up the start menu, type in CMD, best result should say command prompt. We're going to go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I would go ahead and just type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now shall be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter keyword to begin running the scan. It will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see it did not find any issues in our case, but again, if it did in your case, hopefully it would have been able to resolve them. So go ahead and restart your computer, and then hopefully your problem should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.